In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mark tasks as complete in Slack. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to add task as complete or to mark it as complete, it is quite simple. Just head over to the task and then head over to the thread of the person or the coworker who sent the task. Now, once you have found the thread or the task and you want to mark it as complete, for instance, we are going to mark this task as complete. Just head over to the right hand side and you'll see this check mark, completed. So if you want to mark it or to check it as completed, just click on it and we shall have a check mark here indicating the task has been completed, and this was a task that contained a file. However, if it didn't contain a file, then it should be just next below to the task and you can see it is here. So that's how you can mark a task as complete in Slack. If you have another question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.